Hi guys, this is Ziha.
This is Alpha
Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. It's me, Nurul Naziha. Today is our second day and I'm back with another video of mine. Did you see the first video that I just showed you? That person with me is the person in my previous video. Alpha, pretty isn't it? Anyway, let's continue with our task today. So my sir has asked me to retell a story about this one foreigner that experienced Ramadan in Malaysia, exactly in Kelantan. So, in the video, the foreigner said that he went to this masjid Kampung Laut with what's said to be the oldest mosque in Malaysia. The mosque is a wooden made and it was built without using any nails on it. Also, a few villagers there said that the mosque was built in the early 30s. But he visited another mosque nearby. He said he visited without knowing anyone there, but still greeted with an open arms. The villagers welcomed him. And asked him to sit down for iftar to breakfast together. In the video, he also said that he got to try a traditional kampung meals, which was called nasi minyak. Then he break his fast together with all the villagers there. With a sweet rose syrup drink, then followed by the main course, the nasi minyak, and lastly he eat a yellow watermelon, which it was his first time trying it. Then he stayed for Tarawih after the iftar. He was magnified to see the village mosque was filled with the villagers for every night. After that, some of the villagers recommend him to visit another mosque in that village. Then he went to visit the mosque, and the mosque that he visited actually blew his mind with the beautifulness of it. Apart from that, he said that since it was his last night in Malaysia, in Kelantan, Malaysia, he participated in Kelantan Ramadan tradition, which was called Murad. There he tried chonet, which is mixed seafood or meat dipped in a flavorful gravy. At last, he said, Ramadan in Malaysia has truly been the best Ramadan he ever experienced in his life. That's the end of the video that was shared by ourselves. That was also the end of my video. Let's meet again in another video.